Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 10 most productive skill you can learn from home during lockdown. What's up guys, your boy Mario and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm sure by that you guys already know what's up. Some of you guys might be really anxious and excited to go back to school. Some for irrelevant reasons and some to get their diplomas and certificates for them to start working in high profile establishments and companies. Don't get me wrong, that's good though. But the thing you guys don't really know is that almost anyone can get a diploma and a certificate. But the most important thing these companies are looking for are people with something not just anyone can offer. People with skills not just anyone can have. The key word there is skills, not just anyone can have. And believe me, this quarantine and lockdown is like a gift on a silver platter. It's an opportunity to start and plan our lives. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to stay tuned to the end of this video, like, subscribe and comment on how you feel about this video. So the first skill I recommend for you guys to learn is the coding skill. There are so many computers and web programs that could make your life easier, such as Excel. There are so many businesses and individuals that are seeing the need or to transition into the online world. Having computer and web program skills are becoming increasingly valuable. You can learn how to code using free online courses and forums. Whether it's website or application development, this skill will help you as more of the world spend time online. The future is online. So the second skill I recommend for you guys to learn is the cooking skill. A skill that will require very little investment and will improve your culinary prowess. There are plenty of cookbooks that will suit every palate, diet or budget. Other than spoiling your family with delicious meal, you can also use this as a side hustle. The third tip I recommend for you guys to learn is photography. Avid photography fans or those who are new to the craft can pick up new tips. Polish existing skill or further your interest with an online photography class. After this lockdown, there will be many events from wedding shoots to graduation parties. You might get a few gigs from this talent. The fourth tip I would love to recommend for you guys to learn is the makeup skill. If the boredom is setting in and you are missing your beauty appointment for a touch of TLC, you can try teaching yourself to master the nail art. You can check out Instagram where influencers post tutorials and drop inspiration. The fifth skill on the list is marketing skill. Marketing is probably the best investment a business can make. Degrees are not required for marketing careers, either as is a skill that can be learned and tested effectively online. There are some marketing skills I recommend you guys to learn, which are copywriting, digital marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, direct and ad marketing, and so on. The sixth tip I recommend for you guys to learn is the sewing skill. If you're always finding holes in your clothes or love the idea of creating your own clothes, learning sewing, knitting and crochet can be a very useful way of spending your lockdown. After all, there's nothing like wearing a nice warm woolen scarf or blankets that are created by hand yourself. Just like gardening, knowing your way around textile could be an incredible and useful skill to know. The seventh skill I recommend for you guys to learn is the dancing skill. An in-person teacher is not necessarily required to learn how to dance. Some types of dances may require a partner, but most times, all you need is YouTube. Learning the skill of dancing is impressive, fun, challenging and rewarding. It's also a way of keeping fit. Dancing can also be a great outlet or a form of therapy. Fly LDN is a London-based yoga and pirate studio that offers ballet classes. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, it offers free online classes on Instagram Live. You can check out at Fly LDN on Instagram at 8 AM, 12 PM and 6 PM because they have online classes every day. All you need is just a makeshift ballet and a space for you to dance. This skill is going to be very productive and help you in the future. Eighth skill I recommend for you guys to learn is the reading and writing skill. If you are really good at expressing yourself through words, you can just start a blog or start writing a novel. You can never go wrong with writing a blog, whether you're using it as an online writing portfolio or you're using it as a space to share your passion or you're using it as an opportunity to try something new. It's time to get those creative juices flowing. The idea of writing a novel is one which always seems daunting. How many of us have opened Word, stared at the blank page for a while, then admitted defeat? Enough is enough. Writing can be an incredible therapeutic practice. Who knows, it might be the next J.K. Rowling. The ninth skill I recommend for you guys is to learn a new language. What better way to start thinking of the holidays you enjoy once this is over than to start learning the languages of the countries or places you visit? Also, it's always useful to have it on your CV And if working abroad has always been on your mind, then get a head start and pick up a local lingo. 10th skill I would recommend for you guys to learn is the painting or drawing skill. Continue with the creative outlet. Art classes and online tutorials are in abundance, but can also be done off the court as long as you have canvas and colors to work with. If you are budget and time conscious, then learning origami is the best and inexpensive way to fill up your time while doing something productive. Once you are confident with your artistic skills, then you can start making money from it. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on how you feel about this video.